So, this is the inside of that large factory complex near the railroad tracks on Clinton Street. And this is the whole huge interior as seen from the second level along the side. I'm going to take you on a quick trip through this. Some kind of an office complex, storage station for the management. They're demolishing this as we speak almost. Part of it's already gone, so figured one last look-see while I was here. Tracks are just out there, and that's a receiving platform of a sort. Here the stairway is up and up and up to the second level. Here's a kind of sitting room, I call it, because of this set of chairs right there. It's very, looks like something out of the movie The Crow. In a few places. There's something else. As we tour the second level, let's listen into that haunting music. There's a ceiling or a roof out there, but we're obviously not going to walk out there. Have a seat, make yourself at home. Here's the side stairway. We're going to make our way down very, very, very carefully. There's the office and upper level there, and making our way down into the main level. This gorgeous alleyway in between these two buildings are filled with trees of 30, 40 years or so, 30 years or so. We're now on the first level, on the side wing, going south. You see this lineup of windows into the corridor there between the main building and the side building here. The canal is just over there, downhill. It's like touring a shipwreck. And in a way it is a shipwreck. It's a wreckage of lost industry in Lockport, the city of Lockport, New York. It also shows you how much passion and pride they took in these buildings, and how they really were engineered to last for a long, long time and employ a lot of people over the years, and how that is now basically gone. That homegrown ingenuity, at least on this scale, this kind of scale anyways, is all gone. Practically. This building is ready to come down completely, not just to the force of nature and vandalism, but and not even to progress, but to just laziness, decay, and just the need to get rid of an eyesore and a trap for uncontrollable youth. Collectively we call that progress. Collectively we call this an act of time. And this is time. The bulldozer outside is also an act of time, and it will take its bite out of this place, even more so shortly. So we want to be respectful of this fact and record this for you. I don't know what it manufactured. I have to do some research, but must have been big, and it's right near the railroad, so hence the export. Well, that's it for now, folks. Thanks for coming along.